Hello everybody, we're outside, we're large, level up. So what's up guys, it's your girl Viola.
And Andrea's in the background recording.
And we are back with another vlog.
Yeah, we're outside.
Yes,
We're chilling.
We're outside, we're out of the house trying to inhale some oxygen.
Oxy.
Especially Andre, who has been working from home all this time.
I'm allergic to outside.
I think he has forgotten what color is the sky.
Sky is red.
I will believe you because you haven't been outside. I've been outside but not outside to enjoy myself. So yes.
Guys, I'm not a fan of outdoors. So this type of restaurant is Tiola's setting, not mine.
It's
but
nice.
honestly, it's kind of
Laid back.
refreshing.
And the breeze is cool. Well, if you don't sit in the sun, the wind is really nice. And just to watch people passing, and you see the puppy and the dog and the cat and the rat and all of these things are take care of me no matter foolishness.
But yeah guys, we're just chilling out. Legit, we don't have a plan for today. We're just enjoying ourselves. And you're just gonna just hang with us, alright?
Yeah.
After this we might even take a walk, but we're not sure yet. So
Yeah.
we'll keep you
And he's in
updated.
the camera.
Oh, am I in it?
Yarr.
Yeah, we're
Thank you
always
so
vlogging.
much.
Not a problem. Enjoy,
Thank
guys.
you. Nice and refreshing. So guys, today we are at Panini's restaurant.
Yeah, Panini's is amazing.
Nice
Check it out.
Italian restaurant. So it's very chill and it's affordable. Unlike some place we go all day.
Roots.
You don't have to call it name.
No matter get short, man. We have
Jeez.
$80 steak
But anyway,
with no
Andre,
sides.
happy nice. You talk too much, you know. Anyways, guys.
Tell us the bill, people.
Shut up.
Tell us on my birthday dinner bill. I should have
I
recorded
wasn't
that.
complaining.
You're
I was like, what the hell? My husband is very expensive. Okay?
So let's do a little zoom in on Taylor's.
And me never
Man.
want order what Andrea order just in case I don't like it. We can just
Nice.
eat out Andrea own.
And this is my sexy meal that will be eaten by Tiola. And she got my garlic bread. You see them things here? I just my fair deal with. But yeah guys, if you're ever around, try Panini's, it's pretty cool.
Yes,
I love their
and
meals.
it's very affordable. The
Very
food is not
affordable.
expensive. Like this, some places would cost like $25 or more, or $80.
True.
Like some places. Not drop word again.
Some places. Alright guys, we're gonna eat.
So guys, we're outside sitting, chilling after we had such a wonderful meal,
Yeah.
and a mosquito pitched.
That was not a mosquito. It was a massive ass bug.
Mosquito
A big bug.
pitched on Andre, and he's like, "Ew! Oh my gosh, what's that?"
I didn't say that. I
It's
was
so
like,
you
"Oh, that's
sound.
gross."
That's how you sound.
Guys, I'm not a fan of outdoors. Killer is. I'm not.
You go to outside, you can't lock up in the house so much. You got
Is
depressed.
it a cat?
Especially it's summer now, and then we have to make use of the summer because as we quint, it's gonna be winter again. 8 long months of winter, you know.
Yeah, let's enjoy this.
So even though today it was really hot in the house, I was like, oh my gosh, I get frustrated because when I'm sleeping, I don't like to feel hot. Like I'd rather feel hot being outside but not in my bed. When I'm in my bed, I want to feel nice and cool. But then I found myself about to complain. I was about to complain. I was like, we can't complain because the winter
Dark.
is long and it's really
Cold.
dark and you
Honestly,
feel down
This
and
is a
stuff.
very nice view.
Yeah. So we're gonna take a little walk. We don't know where we're gonna walk to yet, but we'll be right back, okay? We'll be back. So guys, my husband, babe, what is that?
Huh?
What is that?
String bean.
Guys, so
Dopey pepper.
idly I walked and I was like, oh, string bean here. Andre left it alone. So out of curiosity, I get to find out that Andre actually think it's string bean.
No,
Yeah.
Adobe pepper. The pork.
Jamaica need fit this one. Yeah. Jamaica need fit this one. No. We are back with another vlog, and today we are going to church. It's been a year since we haven't been to church due to the pandemic. So I'm like, what time church start again? Honestly, like, it feels so weird going back to church now.
It does. I haven't worn these type of clothes in a while.
Yeah. So church opened last week, but I was working, so I didn't get to go. So today I'm excited that we are going back to church and we're gonna meet our friends, our church family. So it's exciting, and also we're gonna have a picnic, church picnic.
Yeah, our friends had babies and everything, so we get to see them for the first time.
Friends have babies and the babies start walk and talk and everything, and we haven't seen those babies like ever.
Yeah.
Yes.
The reason why we've been responsible, guys, so we have been keeping like to
Our
ourselves.
distances, yeah.
During the quarantine,
Mm-hmm.
because we also were COVID contacts at one point too.
Andre was COVID contact.
You were, weren't you? Yeah, I was a COVID contact, so I went in, got tested, and I had to stay for a while also.
Yeah. So guys, you know what to do already. You're gonna spend the day with us at church and at church picnic. It's gonna be fun. I hope. And we're gonna meet Daniel, our other YouTuber that we introduced last week on our channel. He is actually our youth pastor.
Pick up yourself, Danielle.
Yes, so you will
Being all
see him
awesome.
today again. Yeah, so guys, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with a friend or friend of a friend. Come on guys, it's full time now. We should be at 2,000 subscribers. Well, I know we took a long break, so it's partially our fault.
It's fully
But
our
anyways,
fault. Yeah, we took a very long break.
a very too much long break, guys. Too long. But anyways, we are back, and yeah, so see you guys later. Guys, look at my sexy husband. What?
Okay. And I'm giving these, by the way, randomly. Please don't read into anything. Okay? Don't read into anything. They're random. Okay?
How convenient.
You see why I had to make that comment? Let me just do this. I'm just gonna get this down here. I'm gonna ask you guys to move forward right over here. Okay? Right side by side with each other. This is how most of us approach our battle with sin. This is it, right here. We say, I've lied, I deceived, I cheated on my wife or my husband. And we begin to feel that shame. And we just don't know what to do with it. And we go to God and say, God, forgive me. And guess what? God forgives you, but that shame's still there for some reason. And then the next thing is, you feel that these urges, young people and young adults, I know it's a difficult battle. And so guess what? Some of us, we were raised in the church. And by the way, when I say church, I mean Christianity, period. But yet we're battling with rage. We fight back and forth. And you know what the devil does? He sees us struggling and he simply reminds you, what kind of Christian are you? If you really love Jesus, why did you flip out like that? We also look at the fact that, listen, sometimes it's very difficult to keep our mouth in place. And so we go through the motions, fighting at the surface level. We may feel greed and even the envy. But this is where most of us fight the battle with.
Diola, how was your first day at church?
Guys, in the church at the first.
Yo, people, this is Diola. Hey, man. That was very good, Pastor. Yeah, Diola yawned non-stop.
Oh my god.
Diola, come over this side so we can be in the frame together. So you can be.
It is so bad, like
Yeah, she be yawning.
tired.
Yeah. So guys, we're gonna go to the picnic spot right now. So I guess we'll see you over that side.
Yeah.
Until it's still
I'm going
sleepy.
to try and find a tree to sleep under.
All right,
That's all I'm going
guys,
to
we'll connect.
Are you gonna let me down? Are you gonna watch me fall in love then let me drown? Or are you gonna love me now and give me something that will never pull me down?